fix,
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 fix can be a verb, a noun or a name. As a verb, fix can mean 1. To pierce, now generally replaced by transfix. 2. To attach, to affix, to hold in place or at a particular time. 3. To mend, to repair. 4. To prepare, food or drink. 5. To make a contest, vote, or gamble unfair. To privilege one contestant or a particular group of contestants, usually before the contest begins. To arrange immunity for defendants by tampering with the justice system via bribery or extortion. 6. To surgically render an animal, especially a pet, infertile. 7. To map a point or subset to itself. 8. To take revenge on, to best, to serve justice on an assumed miscreant. 9. To render a photographic impression permanent by treating with such applications as will make it insensitive to the action of light. 10. To convert into a stable or available form. 11. To become fixed, to settle or remain permanently, to cease from wandering, to rest. 12. To become firm, so as to resist volatilization, to cease to flow or be fluid, to congeal, to become hard and malleable, as a metallic substance. As a noun, fix can mean 1. A repair or corrective action. 2. A difficult situation, a quandary or dilemma, a predicament. 3. A single dose of an addictive drug administered to a drug user. 4. A prearrangement of the outcome of a supposedly competitive process, such as a sporting event, a game, an election, a trial, or a bid. 5. A determination of location. 6. Fettlings mixture used to line a furnace. 7. Clotting factor f̂ɪks. As a name, fix can mean surname.
We want God to fix it.